Hello everybody, I'm Jose Camilo Vargas and I'm a student of Business Administration. Today I'm going to present cool and interesting facts about my career by me. To be a business administrator allows to know how you can organize different activities inside the companies, because we have to define different tasks in order to achieve a company goal. For example, increase the sales. In this part, it's important to say we have to define before and a strategy. It's a really important word for us, because the strategy allows us to know how we can work in order to achieve the goal, while we are better from the competence. In this part, it's important to say we analyze all economic fields in a country or industry. For example, if I'm working in a hospital, I have to know how is the health market in Colombia. Another part for us is important to say the company performance. We have to know what is the actual status of the company. We have to know how is the finances, how is the culture organization, or how is the structure, because from that we can work in order to improve it. Other cool facts for me is when we can use our expertise, we can use in different fields of economy. Sometimes we find administrator in human resource, finances, science, logistics, or production lines. Inside the company, we have to know all about the company, all. If the company is dedicated to give food, we have to know how we can give food the best way. Another part in this career, an important word for us as well as, is innovation. Innovation for us is important because we are looking for to give new ideas, planning strategies, and define clearly process in order to achieve a solution, a good solution for the company problems. Despite our main mission is working in a companies, either organization for profit or non-profit organization, we just look for new ideas to organize and plan different activities. So for me, it's important to say non-profit organization are looking for to be the best organization in the market. For example, if I can help people with final disease, we have to do the best way. So for us, it's important to say as well as sustainability ideas. For us, it's important because we want to impact the world with new ideas and acquire a commitment to improve our environment. For us, it's important because if I am Ecopetrol, I have to look for how we can work with the environment without affect other communities, other people. In this part, it's important to say how we can work with our stakeholders. For us, stakeholders are customers, employees, media, investors, government agencies, or communities, how I said before, because we have to know how we can affect these stakeholders. If I'm Ecopetrol, I can't explore a forest if the Colombian people are disagree with this. So it's important to have a leadership in this type of decision. This leadership has to impact in the success of the company, goals of the company, how we can contribute to other people, and look for how our teamwork is the best in these points. Another part for our career in order to impact the world positively is not allowing corrupt practices in the organizations. Corrupt practices is the worst for the world because we are looking for to have good practices in order to don't affect another people. In this part, we have two chains of mind in the companies, because different companies are working always the same way. But in our case, we have to give new ideas in order to differentiate of the company. Thank you for listening. Goodbye.